Hello students, today I am going to explain one more question. Find the value of x which satisfies the given inequation -2 less than or equal to 1 by 2, -2 upon 3x less than or equal to 1 5 upon 6. X is belongs to natural number. Find the solution set of the number line. So we'll solve this inequation. After that, I will show you how to plot it in the different number lines. -2 less than or equal to 1 by 2, 2x upon 3 less than or equal to improper fraction, mixed fraction, make it into the improper fraction. 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 5, 11 by 6. Now this entire inequation, take it as a LCM in the middle. LCM will be 6. Here it will get 3 times -4x less than or equal to 11 upon 6. This entire inequation I can multiply by 6. When I multiply by 6 here, what I am going to get? -12. -2 multiplied by 6, -12 less than or equal to. When I multiply by 6, that multiplication 6, the 6 it will get the cancellation. 3 minus 4x is 3 by 8. So here also when I multiply by 6, the denominator 6, numerator 6, it will get the cancellation. Less than or equal to 11. So now split into the two parts. This is the first part. -12 less than or equal to 3 minus 4x. -4x, bring other side of the inequality. So that is you will get the 4x less than or equal to -12, you take other side of the inequality. When you take -12 other side, it will become plus. So 4x less than or equal to 15 divided. X less than or equal to 15 divided by 4. X less than or equal to 3 divided by 4. This is the first part. Now look at the second part, what I am going to write it. Second part I am going to take this part. I am going to take this part. 3 minus 4x less than or equal to 11. Now this minus 4x you take that side, plus 11 bring this side. 3 minus 11 less than or equal to 4x. 3 minus 11 less than or equal to 4x. Here how much you will get? -8 less than or equal to 4x. This entire thing you have to divide by 4. -2 less than or equal to x. Now both the solutions, write it together. -2 less than or equal to x. First I am writing the negative value. So next value you write it this term, less than or equal to 3 upon 4. If you notice, the sharp arrowhead is facing to the x. Here also sharp arrowhead is facing towards to the x. Now this solution, we have to plot it on the number line. So whenever you are plotting on the number line, at least one number you take before this. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our question is what? X is belongs to natural numbers. So what are the natural numbers less than 3 upon 4? Only natural numbers I have to count. So that is 1, 2, 3. So we know that the natural numbers doesn't contain the fraction part. We are going to ignore it. So only have to plot it as a natural number. This is the solution for this given question. Now what I am going to do, for the same question, I will show you the different number lines. So whole number, how we are going to plot it, integers, how we are going to plot it, real numbers, how we are going to plot it, so that you will know exactly the difference. For the same solution, I am going to show you the different number lines. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I consider x is belongs to whole numbers. So, what are the whole numbers I am going to consider? The whole number starts from the 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. Because whole numbers doesn't contain the negative part, we include it here as usual, like here also, and it will start from the 1, 2, 3. The fractional part we are ignoring. Now the same number line I will show you for the integers. minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So x is belongs to integers. When x is belongs to integers, now plot it. Minus 2 is included. Here if you see the arrow heads, minus 2 is included. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the solution for this number line. The next what I am going to explain, I will explain for the real numbers. Real numbers is what? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now x is belongs to R. X is belongs to R. Now when you plot it, how you are going to plot it? Minus 2 is included. This 6 side. Now next is 3, 3 upon 4. 3, 3 upon 4. So we know that this is the 3. Between 3 and 4, how many parts they divided? 4 parts. Whatever the denominator is there, that number you have to divide into the 4 parts. It is not compulsory you have to take exact measure. Normally approximately calculate. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. I have divided into the 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now numerator is what? 30. Now from the 3 counting 1, 2, 3. This is the number. So this number is included. So you can shade it exactly. You can shade it as a exactly. Now this entire thing you are going to write like this. You are going to write like this. Now listen carefully. Now can you tell me what I plotted this number line is correct or not? It is. Yeah, if you look at, we have taken exact measurement. As you feel it is correct. But in the board examination, if you plot the way I have plotted here, compulsory they will cut 1 mark. The reason behind this, whenever it comes to the something like a fractional part which doesn't see on our number line, we have to specify on top of this 3 upon 4. Now if you don't specify this, in the board examination, compulsory 1 mark they will cut in the board examination. Compulsory you need to specify. Is it clear? So that is the reason I have chosen this question to explain it. Now listen carefully. Now what you notice here? Here x is belongs to natural number. X is belongs to whole number. X is belongs to R, integer. Now whenever you see the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, you plotted particular numbers dot by dot, you plotted the particular numbers. I hope you understood. Dot by dot we plotted the particular numbers. Whenever you see the R value, you are going to shade it as everything. R is what? Real numbers. It includes the negative numbers, decimal numbers, fraction number, all the numbers are included. So that is the reason you are going to plot it as. So only for R value you are going to shade it. Remaining everything you are going to plot dot by dot. So this is the simple chapter. Everybody will do it. But most of the number of students they does the mistake in board examination. While plotting on the number line. Everybody get the 2 marks, 1 mark they lose it most of the time. Now you need to understand exactly how to plot it on the number line. So now I will explain you one more question and the different types. Then we will understand exactly the differences for this. Look at the next one. The diagram represents 2 inequations A and B on the real number. So if you notice, on the number line we can see A. On the number line we can see B value. We have to write set builder notation. So how are you going to write it to the set builder notation? I will write this sign out. First one answer. What you will get the first one answer when you write it to the set builder notation. When you look at the straight line, like this, then you need to understand minus 2 is included. Minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 5. So 5 side you put half moon type. So that means it is not included. If the number is included, they will write the straight line or exactly. If the number is not included, they can write the half moon or shaded half moon or whole circle they can write it. Now for this is for the A value. This is for the A. Now for the B, what I am going to write, minus 4 less than or equal to x less than 3. This we will get for the set builder notation. This is question number 1. Now look at the question number 2. Represent A and intersection B. Now we know that we have learned in lower classes how to find it as a intersection B in sets. Now the similar concept we are going to apply for the A intersection B. Intersection is what? The common part in A and B. The common values in A and B. For example, if I take it, set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is 2 and 4. Now when I find it A intersection B, I am going to get the solution as a 2, 4. Because these values are there in both the places. That is, we have learned into the sets. Now the similar type of the concept here also we are going to apply. So now what is the common part in this? Here it is starting with the minus 2. Here it is starting with the minus 2. Minus 2. Here it is starting with the minus 4. So after minus 4, towards to the positive side, what is going to get? Minus 3, minus 2, you are going to get. So that means whenever the negative number is there, listen carefully, whenever the negative numbers is there, always you have to take it the biggest value. So minus 4 and minus 2, what is the bigger one? We have to take minus 2 is the bigger value. When it comes to the negative value, start with the negative. Less than or equal to x. When it comes to the positive, take the small one. Compare into 3 and 5. What is the smallest value? 3 will be the smallest value. Now listen carefully. Whenever you see the negative number, here it is going to start like if it is like whole number from minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 till 1. It is starting with the minus 2, minus 1. So both the things common is the minus 2. Here it is ended with the 3. Here it will continue as a 4 and 5. That means when it comes to the negative, bigger value. When it comes to the positive, smaller value. Now this solution we have to represent it on the number line. Now write it on the number line. What you are going to write it? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now minus 2 is there. Now look at our question. Our question says is what? A real number. Real number line is what? You are going to take it only the real value, real number value. So minus 2 is included. Write the thick circle. 3 is not included. Put the whole circle. Now shade this entire part. This is A intersection B. Getting it? Now we'll go for the next one. So second question, what you are going to write here? Second question. First I will find it as a B dash. What do you mean by B dash? B dash means complement of B. Complement of B. So when it comes to the set, except B value, remaining values you will take from the universal set. But here there is no universal set. So that is why what you are going to do, whenever you are finding as a B dash, whenever you are finding B dash, except B, remaining values you are going to write. Except B, remaining values. Except B, remaining values from the A. Except B, remaining values from the A. So that means here minus is there. This is the bigger. So negative side it is not possible. Now only the option is you have to take it positive side. So B dash will be what? 3 less than or equal to x less than 5. Here is till the 3 is there. Till the 3. But